How to find log of any number without using log table? For this, you have to just remember log of three numbers. Log 2, which is 0.3, log 3, 0.48, and log 5, 0.7. Now, having remembered log 2 as 0.3, log of powers of 2 can be easily found. Just a log 4 would be log 2 square, which will be 2 into 0.3, 0.6. Now, one more simpler shortcut is just go on adding 0.3 to each consecutive power. So, log 8, which is the third power of 2, will become 0.9. Then 16 ho jayega 1.2. Log 32 will become 1.5. On the same lines, log 3 is 0.48. So 3 ka powers can be found out as log 9 will be 0.96. Then log 27 would be just add 0.48. So 1.44. 81 will be 1.92. And then 243 would be 2.4. On the same lines, log 5.7, if remembered, log 25 would be 1.4. Then it will be 2.1, 2.8, and 3.5. Next, if you want to find the log of any number which is not a power of any specific number, just say log 6 can be found as log 2 into 3. Now, applying the log A into B rule, that is log A plus log B, now just add the log of 2, which is 0.3, and log 3, which is 0.48, which gives you 0.78. The answer for log 6. Log 7 can be splitted as 2 into 3.5. Now 3.5 ka log could be found by a number between the log 3 and the log 4, which is 0.48 and 0.6 ke beech mein. Take it as 0.54 and add it to 0.3. So it will become 0.84. So now you know the logs of all the numbers from 1 to 10. Log 1 will be 0, log 10 is 1, 2 se 9, you have found all the logs. Similarly, above 10, log 12, ढूंढने के लिए, it can be splitted as 3 into 4. Again, the same rule applies over here, where 3 ka log is 0.48 and 4 ka log is 0.6. Add up, you get 1.08. On the same lines, the logs of a number less than 1 or greater than 1 could also be found. There's a 0.2 will have a characteristic bar 1, and the value of log 2 is to be appended with it, that is bar 1.3. 20 के लिए characteristic is 1, so 1.3. 200 के लिए 2.3. 2000 के लिए it will be 3.3. That's it.